Um, before going to discuss properties of bases, one important thing I have to telling you about the playlist. As previously I explained all the chapters in class 10 physical science. So if you want to see the topics, so you have to go to my playlist which are created in my YouTube channel. So please watch them, go for playlist and watch even the acids, bases and salt chapter also. Every chapter already last year completed. So then here this year I am doing newly. That's why if you want more, right, then please watch in playlist. So let us discuss our topic, properties of bases. Properties of bases. Physical properties and chemical properties. Properties of bases. We are all known bases are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. And red litmus. Red litmus turns into blue litmus. Red litmus change into blue litmus. uh, Solutions of bases. Solutions of bases are good conductors. Good conductors. Solutions of bases are good conductors of electricity. Good conductors of electricity, right? So bitter test, they change red litmus into blue litmus. Their solutions, alkalis or electrolytes of bases are also, and solutions of bases are also good conductors of electricity. Good conductors of electricity. So these are the some properties. Then coming to chemical properties. Chemical properties. Chemical properties of bases. Chemical properties of bases. So just recall the chemical properties of acids, reaction with metals. Here also reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Reaction with the metals. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization. The next one is neutralization. Neutralization reaction. So as acids, we explain neutralization reaction with bases, acids and the bases, and reaction with metal oxides. Similarly, here neutralization reaction takes place too with with acids and with non-metal oxides. With non-metal oxides. With acids, with non-metal oxides. Let us discuss one by one. Let's discuss the chemical properties. The chemical properties of base. First one, reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. What happened when bases reacts with metals? What happened when bases are reacts with metals? With metals, right? So let us understand. So what happened? Base plus metal, base plus metal form their respective salt and release hydrogen gas and release hydrogen. Similarly, acids also react with metals and they produce hydrogen gas. Bases reacts with some metals. Bases reacts with some metals and they also produce salt and hydrogen. Salt and hydrogen. For example, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is reacts with zinc. Reacts with zinc. It gives sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. Na2ZnO2. Na2ZnO2 plus release hydrogen gas. Sodium hydroxide plus zinc. It gives us sodium zincate and release hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas. Bases reacts with some metals. All the bases do not react with metals, but some bases only react with metals and they form their respective salt and also release hydrogen gas. How we can identify hydrogen gas is released during a reaction between metal and acid or base and metal. So when we bring a burning mastic near the mouth of test tube, near the mouth of test tube, what will happen? It produces, it burns with the pop sound, or the burning mastic is put off with the pop sound. That pop sound indicates hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas released during any chemical reaction. Any chemical reaction. All the bases do not react with the metals, only some like sodium hydroxide, zinc, aluminum are able to react, with the bases and release hydrogen gas. Release hydrogen gas. So uh, bitter in taste, red litmus changes into blue litmus. uh, Solutions of bases are good conductors of electricity. Coming to the chemical reaction with the metals, when metals reacts with base, they form their respective salt and release hydrogen gas. Remind that, and all the bases and all the metals do not react with the bases. So only some are uh, react with the base and some do not react. Some bases react with the metals and some do not react with the bases. So this is about one of the chemical property, one of chemical property of bases.